Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do this very glamorous, wearable and amazing makeup look for holiday. And this is so easy to do. So to begin, I'm gonna apply a good eyeshadow base. This is by Sigma in the shade Persuade. I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid and blend it out using the tip of my fingers to be easier and remove the excess product. And next I'm gonna use this amazing palette. This is the Enchanted Palette by Sigma as well, and this is perfect for holiday. As you can see here, the colors are stunning and has a new formula. I love this palette so much. So for today's video I decided to go for a very gold, glam and sparkly look. So I used the gold shade from this palette. As you can see, I love this color, and all the colors are so beautiful anyway. So that's why I said this is perfect for holiday. So to begin the smoky eye, I'm gonna use this warm brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna place it in my crease and blend in circular motions using a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna work this eyeshadow, adding the product a little at a time. Always blending the edges very well till I have the effect that I want for my eyes. I'm gonna add a little bit of this eyeshadow in the lower lash line as well. All the brushes that I'm using in this tutorial are from Sigma Beauty. The quality is so good and amazing. I really love these brushes. And you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com for any item that you want to buy. They are doing very good holiday sets as well, so I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested to see. Next, in the other corner of my eyes, I'm gonna apply the black eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm gonna use a small blending brush as well. I'm gonna add a very small amount at first so I can blend really well the edges of this eyeshadow, and then I go adding the product a little at a time. And also I'm gonna change the brush to add the same eyeshadow in the lower lash line. Picking up the cream beige eyeshadow from the palette, I'm gonna apply using a normal eyeshadow brush below my brows to highlight a little bit and also to help to blend these eyeshadows in the smoky eyes. And now the start of the show, I'm gonna apply this amazing sparkly gold eyeshadow all over the eyelid. And as you can see here, this color is stunning, very buttery. I really like the formula of this eyeshadow. And right on top of this eyeshadow base that I applied before, this is perfect. And to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna use this light gold eyeshadow just in the tear duct area using a small brush. To finish off my eyes, I'm gonna apply the gel liner Wicked, and I'm gonna use a very small brush to create the cat eye effect in my eyes today. I really like this effect with these eyeshadows, and here I can just apply lots and lots of mascara or even add my fake lashes as I did in this video because I really love fake lashes. And for blush, I'm gonna use two of my favorite colors from the blush palette, and to apply I'm gonna use this Poly Duster brush, also by Sigma. This is my favorite powder brush. So I'm gonna apply blush with it, and I'm gonna mix this coral peachy shade and this pink. And to highlight my face, I'm gonna use the lightest shade from the Sculpt palette, and this is the prettiest highlighter that I have ever used it because for my skin tone it matches really well. So I'm gonna use a fawn strobing brush to apply in the highest points of my face, and look how beautiful it is. To conclude this makeup look, I'm going to use the liquid lipstick by Sigma, and I really love the formula, this hydrating formula, and it's stunning, feels so good in the lips. This is the shade Behold. And this is how I conclude this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did. And I just want to say that I really appreciate that I have you here with me today. Again, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and happy holidays. Mwah. Bye.